and all my dear friends. My today topic is an inspiration leader of your life. And today I would like to speak about my inspiration leader, Dr APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr APJ Abdul Kalam was also known as Missile Man of India. He was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. He was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He learned the qualities of honesty, simplicity, and self-discipline from his father and kindness from his mother. He was granted the Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990, Bharat Ratna Award in 1997, and also got India's highest civilian awards. Thank